Hi LinkedIn fam, my name is Yash Shirgavkar. I am pursuing the Bachelor degree of Engineering in Information Technology from KC College of Engineering, Thane. So today I develop a sales dashboard using Power BI. The sales dashboard of year 2020 to 2022. I use the data. The dashboard uses main three tables. It is that is sales data, state list and supervisor list. The data includes the information about the product category, brand, sales, cost, quantity, state and supervisors. So this is my interactive dashboard. This layout provides the overall summary of company sales performance for 2020 to 2022. It includes the key KPIs, chart, map, and supervisor performance card arranged in a clear and interactive layout. Then this is a supervisor panel. Uh, the supervisors are Adil Khan, Arvi Gupta, Advika Joshi, Ajay Kumar, and so on. This panel helps to track each supervisor's performance. When you click on the supervisor, the entire dashboard update to show data related to that person only. You can see here. Then next is a quantity by category wise. This bar chart shows the product quality sold by category. Monitor, mouse, CPU are top selling items, while the printer and NIC have lower sales. This helps to identify which product customer prefer most. Then sum of total sales by state. We use a map chart over here for this, and the map chart shows the total sales by each state. The bigger dots indicates higher sales. The most sales from the coastal and metro areas such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. This helps the company understand strong and weak markets. Then the total sales by brand. We can see here this pie chart. This pie chart shows the shape of each brand in total sales. Intel, Samsung, and Dell are the top three, showing customer trust in this brand. The smaller brands like Hynix and Acer can be promoted further. Then here are the KPI keys. The KPIs shows overall business health. Total sales are total sales are 99 million with a 23 million profit, giving a profit margin of about 23%. The company had 5,095 transactions and sold 13,000 items, showing consistent sales performance. Let's understand the overall key business insights in this my dashboard. The top categories are monitor, mouse, and CPU, perform based. Then low categories are printer and NICs, have low demand. Then the top brands are Intel, Samsung, and Dell. Then low brands are Acer and Hynix. Then the top states, metro and coastal state like Maharashtra, the profit margin is 23%. Overall profit margin shows the health business growth. Let's move to the conclusion part. This chatbot gives a clear and simple overview of company's sales performance from 2020 to 2022. It helps non-technical users understand how sales, cost, and profit are connected. The data also supports better business decision for marketing, supply chain, and supervisor performance management. Thank you.